Just let me prep my room. They're gonna be here soon. Just let me prep my room. 2 days on the clock, stuck in endless meetings. Kids will be here in 48 hours, but my classroom needs completing with PD slides, icebreakers, a vision for the year. Thanks for the pep talk, but my students are almost here. Just let me prep my room. They're gonna be here soon. Just let me prep my room. Just let me prep my room. Copier jammed, markers all dry, chairs still stacked a mile high, desk legs wobble.